Hello friends, this is Ramna. Today I will show demo on how to get database name based on table name. So this is my SQL Server Main Studio where I have some user databases. Okay, so I have one table called EMP table which is there in some databases in my system. Okay, so right now I am in sample underscore database, but exactly I don't know in which databases these EMP table exists. Okay, so for that you can use some system table called information underscore schema dot columns. Okay, in this every database and every table is stored in this table name. So here I mentioned table name called EMP. Okay, not now I am running this table in the sample underscore database, so that you can see here sample underscore database EMP table is there with two columns. Okay, with two columns. It is very difficult to find out each and every database to search for the EMP table. Okay, so I want to know in which whatever the database my EMP table exists. For this you can use in the select list. So I am mentioning here some database name in my table. Suppose healthcare, I am taking healthcare database. So I am using healthcare database as database name. Next, table dot schema, comma, table dot name, and from this healthcare dot information schema. This information schema dot columns is exist in every database. This is the system table. Okay, column underscore name. Okay, so this query is searching for EMP table in healthcare database. Now I am taking the same query union all. Okay, union all. So I am searching for EMP table in three different databases. This is healthcare, and this is I am taking test. So change here as test dot information schema, and here test one. So change the database name as test one union all. So here I am searching for sample underscore database. Right now we are in sample underscore database. So I am taking this as database name before information schema. So here I am searching for EMP table. I am searching for EMP table in four databases: healthcare, test1, and sample databases. So with these columns, table schema, table name, and column name in respect to table. Okay. So I am searching all these queries. I am executing all these queries at once. Now you can see healthcare test1 sample. That means table name is same. You can see the table name for all these three database. Table name is same. That means we don't find any EMP table under test database, but here in the select we are using four databases, but EMP table exists in three databases. See here, only three databases. You can see this is healthcare, this is test1, this is sample database. Now we are in sample underscore database. Now if we check the sample underscore database, we have only two columns. See here, two columns. Under sample underscore database, EMP table consists last two columns, ID and name. Okay, so in separate window, I am taking here test1 database. So I am searching for EMP table. Here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 columns there in the EMP table under test1 database. And check the test1 database here. 1, see all these are column names, ID, name, age, salary and department. So like this you can change here healthcare. So healthcare database and execute the query. You can see here 6 columns. Additionally, we have gender also there in the EMP table in healthcare database. Now you can see here all these are column names in the healthcare. ID, name, age, gender, salary, department. Okay, we already include test database. So in the test database we don't know EMP table. If you check the test here and it will show invalid object. That means this EMP table not exist in the test database. So like this you can check the database name, your database name by using your table name. Selecting with your respective database with set operator union or. This is how you need to check your database name by using your table name. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.